In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer tickets on SeatGeek. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. I want you to click your profile icon on the top corner and click the My Tickets or Tickets from the menu. This will forward you to tickets that you have purchased here on SeatGeek, where you can simply transfer using this button. Okay? Of course, from here, select the event that you wanted to transfer the tickets for. Okay? Since in my case, I don't have any events yet since this is a newly created account. Now, if you do, don't worry because just go to the search bar here, search for the event that you wanted to share. This is only applicable if you don't have any tickets yet. For example, that's going to be at Kings at Next, okay, and you wanted to share this specific event. Of course, you need to make sure to choose the right ticket. For example, we have this. Click the Continue button. You will be forwarded to the Pay Out section, all right, and continue to make sure that you have all the necessary information. Now, once you are happy with this, you can choose on how many tickets you would like to share. For example, 2 tickets, 4 tickets. It's up to you, and of course, the pricing will change. You have all these information for you to choose the payment method, and once you're happy, click the Pay Now and confirm the ticket. And then what will happen is the ticket that you've purchased will reflect on the ticket section. All right. And again, remember the step earlier. Just click the transfer button, select that ticket, and of course, confirm and send. The recipient will receive a ticket link or transfer invite. Okay? Make sure the person you're sending tickets to accepts the link before the event. Otherwise, the tickets will stay in your account. And basically, that's it on how to transfer tickets on SeatGeek. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.